Hello guys, I am Andres Carmona from Chile, the Fraccino Chile distributor for the whole Latin America, even Mexico, Brazil, if you want to contact us. I'm going to try to do this in English and helping you. It's not my native language, of course, so anything you after need to know and explain a little bit better maybe, you just comment the video, no worries, I'm going to try to answer all of your question, okay? So for now, what I want to explain is the dual fuel system. You know, that one is the retro dual fuel machine, which is the deluxe one, and you see it's wood finish, very nice machines, very good, and most of the trolley, vans, tricycle, all these, they use this kind of machine. So how this work? What you can see here, first you see the hose for the gas. So you just connect the connection for the gas tank. So this one is easy. You buy any store that is selling tools and these kind of gas things, you just connect. It's the same like a plug in your barbecue, the same thing, you just connect here with the gas. Easy, okay? So and then you have the electricity cable, which is connect to the inverter. So how this works, and these elements are the important thing that you don't see normally. You just see all the time the machines and how this one works, the dual fuel system. So that one is the inverter. So the DC electricity, you know, with the deep cycle battery. This is very important when the deep cycle battery you have, because that when you charge the battery, is very stable, and also when you're using it's very stable as well. So this one is helping you to have a long time, you know, working time. I mean, so you work this one, you just connect the power one, you know, black one, negative, you just connect to the battery, turn on this one here, and then you have your AC alternative electricity, you know, you're gonna have for your machine. So what we use here is a extension. So I'm gonna show you. You know, this is normal extension because we have just two connections with that one. Okay, this is 1000 watt. Okay, from 100 amp. This is 1000 amp. So and then we connect the extension. What we do is connect the flow jet machine, which is bringing water to the machines. I'm going to explain already. I'm going to explain now. And then we connect of course we can put this one in the back, but you just show you this in this video. So we connect here. So and then we have electricity for our grinder. So and then here, how the machines work, and then we go there. You can recognize the dual fuel because you have the gas, you know, you open the gas, you keep gas pass through the machine, and then ignition. So it's gonna be this one, typically in a kitchen or something, you see through here, that's gonna on. You see the flame there working and start to heat the boiler of the machine. Or in case you have electricity, you just change and go to electricity because it's both systems in one machine, okay? So and then this one is on. That one, the flow jet, is the water. So we have the water tank, which is under this is a little pump which is sucking the water, go through here, and then come out from this little hose. This hose go for that side, you of course under, and then here is a little tap. You open for the first time. You open, you put water in the boiler and start to heating. You see when it's working is the steam, machine is already, the pressure that you see, and then the machine, how this flow jet is working by pressure. When it's full, this one is closed, the valve, you know, electrical valve is closed, so and then is something that stop the machine. When this one is using the water, the machine already knows that it needs some water, so the machine electronically telling to the valve open. This one went open. This one is feeling no more something to stop. is release the pressure and then start to work. And to start to work and start to put water until this one is full and this one says stop, stop, and this one is stop. It's just working by pressure, okay? So this one needs electricity connected here, and this is how you give electricity. This one, everything can be under the table. Of course, the same thing can be under the table. You can make in the table, you can make a big hole, you pass all the gas cable and everything you want. You just show the machine, and the grinder is connected to your extension. So this one is the dual fuel system. This one is how this works. It's very easy for any van, you know, like any bike, anything that you don't need to be depending for the local electricity or something. Giving you a lot time to work. And well, I hope this video is giving you a clear idea how the Fraccino dual fuel work. So anything you need in New Zealand, don't worry, we have distributor in New Zealand, very cool guy in Mount Manganui, you just contact them. In Brisbane, we have the main distributor for Fraccino in Australia, so go with this guy. They are perfectly guys that will helping you to set up your business. The same in Amsterdam with Rick, in Polonia. So we have a lot of distributors around the world, and all of them will be helping you. And of course, South America, Brazil, Mexico, or South America, I'm happy to help you. And well, just make any question, okay? Thank you guys, bye.